Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to those of you who are new. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that red button to the right of your screen. It's just below the video and it says subscribe. That way you won't miss any of my videos, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna be showing you quickly today how I have achieved this style. Quick, simple, easy. You don't even need a comb. Well, maybe just for the part, but that's about it. Alright, so I have used my leave-in conditioning repair cream by Cantu. So I put that in my hair while it is still wet. I also use the moisturizing curl activator cream, also by Cantu, and this one is for natural hair. Along with that, I've also used my eco styling gel. This one is argan oil. And last but not least, you're definitely gonna need some water to hydrate your hair as you go along. Alright, so continue watching my video and I hope you enjoy. Please remember to subscribe, to like, and share your comment. I want you guys to tell me what's your go-to product for your wash and go. If you have any tips for me, any suggestions, any questions, I'm open, okay? Alright, enjoy the video, guys. Bye. Alright, so let's get right into the video, guys. So as you can see, I have already done the sides and the back of my hair, and I started off by putting my hair in different sections. I had 4 sections. There's a crown that I'm currently working with now, and I had the 2 sides and the back. So I'm going to show you what I did. All you need is to hydrate your hair. You have to ensure that your hair is fully saturated with water prior to adding the styling gel. That way the styling gel is just going to glide through your hair and through your fingers, because your fingers are what you really use to achieve the look after adding the styling gel. So I'm going to show you how I do that. You also want to ensure that the products you're adding to your hair, you want to ensure that you put it from the roots to the end, because you don't want to have your ends curly and looking lustrous while your roots are dry and kinky. So that's not gonna work. So you want to ensure that you work the product through your hair from the very roots down to the tip of your hair, and that will ensure even distribution and ensure that your curl pattern is formed from the roots down to the end, okay? So just watch and see how I achieve this. And another thing to note, you have to ensure that your hair, you're taking the hair in small sections, because remember, you're just using your fingers to rake the product through. If you take big sections at a time, then you're gonna end up with clumps, big clumps of hair. So you want to ensure that you have small sections and individual curls versus big clump of curls. That's not gonna look good, and your curl pattern is not gonna be defined. So just watch and see what I do. And if at any time you have separated with your fingers and you realize that there's a section that's a little bit too big, you can always take it apart, pull from the roots to the end, release when you get to the end, and boom, your curls will be formed. Just like that. So just continue watching, guys. Alright, so as you can see, that one strand right there that I'm separating now, it was a bit too big. I just separate it in 2, pull it to the ends, and release. Just like that. So continue watching. And don't mind the white residue that you're seeing from the products that I have in my hair. All of that is going to disappear as soon as the hair starts to dry. And of course, you're gonna be getting some shrinkage. I have a little bit of length, definitely much longer than what you're seeing there. As you can see from the section that doesn't have any product in it as yet, I have a little bit of length. But as soon as I added all the products in, it shrinks right up, which is expected. So as the water drips out, you want to ensure that you reapply. So I have gone ahead and completed my curls. So I'm just defining my part, and I'm gonna be laying my edges so that it looks sleek. If you want, you can add a little bit more styling gel to the part, to the sections that you part, just to, you know, make it look a bit more sleek, and also to your edges. An edge brush or a toothbrush would be ideal to sleek your edges, but I'm just using my rat tail comb right now because that's what I had at hand. Alright, so like I said before, your hair is gonna dry clear. All the white residue that you're seeing will automatically disappear once your hair starts to dry. This style is something that you have to do way before bedtime so that your hair gets sufficient time to dry. That's if you want to dry naturally like I do, or you can opt to sit under a dryer, and or you can use a blow dryer. Ensure that it's not too high, and you can dry your hair, but I'm trying to avoid as much heat as possible, so I dry mine naturally. And also you want to ensure that you cover your hair with a hair bonnet at night, and in the morning you just spritz with some water and give your head a good old shake, and your curls will pop right back into place. It will come to life again, and it will look as if you've just done it. Okay, alright, so thank you so much for watching my video. Remember to like, to leave a comment, to share, and to subscribe if you have not done so. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts. I'm gonna show you the back. Alrighty, there you go. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.